Yes, YouTube. Good morning and welcome back again. Why is BTC not going up? That's the question, right? The thing is, we're in a consolidation phase. After consolidation, you can expect manipulation, and after manipulation, you can expect expansion, right? The big three. If you don't know what the big three is or the big three are, go on Google, search for it, and you will find it, right? It's actually how these market makers make you mentally completely crazy. Actually, the thing is, we're still bullish on the higher time frame. We're still holding the 786 on the weekly time frame, and you can see that we're making higher lows on the 1 hour time frame. I'll show you later on in this video what I'm expecting and what I'm actually mean by what I'm saying, right? First of all, smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel to stay updated. And with that said, guys, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and what you can see is that we're still holding the 786 on the weekly time frame. We're creating higher lows. We're still creating higher lows, so that means you have bullish order flow, right? The thing is, we're consolidating now for almost 2 days now, and that's very frustrating, right? Because you want to do something, but in this case, patience is the key. You know, we're consolidating. We can expect manipulation to the 786 on the 50-minute. So here, actually, let me make it more visible for you guys, like this. So there's a gap, and there's sell side liquidity underneath this wick. So there's a possibility that we sweep liquidity to eventually go up, right? Just stick to your model, trust your model. This is literally my model. We have this bullish divergence on the 4 hour time frame. We have a shark fin on the 50-minute, and we have a market structure shift on the 1 hour, right? So you're confirming literally bullish order flow. The thing is, yes, we are bearish on the weekly time frame. Of course we have, but after a divergence, you can expect a liquidity sweep, right? Because a lot of retail and a lot of traders, they see this as bearish order flow. They go short, so a lot of liquidity is piling up here on the top. We grab it before we go down, right? Till how far we will grab it, I don't know. And again, you know, I'm not a wizard, but I just see my model, and I just stick to my model. That's the thing. Skip the noise, stick to your model. Join the crypto gainers. You know, you can see that we're making gains there. We're literally tracking every trade, and you can see that last week we had a winning streak of 77%. So we had 10 wins out of 13 trades. So that's actually very nice, right? So what I'm basically doing is I just post my daily setups here in the group, which you can follow one-on-one, right? So what I did, actually, you can see this trade played out completely, and you know, we rejected here on sell side liquidity to eventually come down, right? But we already took profits here, so you know, we re-entered again, and now you can see that we are back in consolidation phase as we speak, right? But you know, TP1 order size got hit, so we're in a risk-free, profitable trade at the moment. So again, guys, join the crypto gainers. It's completely for free. Level up your trading. Let's go back to the chart. What you can see here on the weekly time frame is that we are still holding the 786, right? As long as you hold this 786, you'll have still bullish order flow. All right, that's a little bit the thing. And the positive thing about this thing is that you become bullish on the lower time frames, right? So if you grab the RSI with it, let's go to the 1 hour because it's a little bit messy here, but you can see that we become bullish on the RSI, right? After a bullish divergence, retracement, so we're still in a bullish order flow, right? So as long as we hold this 786, we're still bullish. So again, if you want to trade this long position together with me or in the group, go to today's video's description. Again, smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you click on the description, you can see we have a very nice collaboration with MEXC. Once you click this link, you will get redirected to the landing page. You see we have an official collaboration, and you will get a 30 USDT new user registration once you sign up, right? Once you sign up, register now. You come to MEXC, You go to events and you can see that you can trade 0 fees on literally 100 tokens. So you open close without any fees, pure profits. So that's a very nice thing, right? The other nice thing is once this event is ended, you will get a lifetime 10% discount on your trading fees because of this collaboration. So again, guys, you know, bullish order flow, trust your model. We're still in our trade here. Can open my trade here. You can see that we're holding nicely above our entry, so we're in the profits. And because we took order size already, we are at break even, so we cannot lose anything, you know. It's a little bit what I'm expecting now. Stick to your model. That's the message. Stick to your model and you know, skip the noise. The thing is, we are in a discount after crazy liquidity sweep. Doesn't make any sense to go short, right? So much liquidity is grabbed. So again, guys, I'm expecting BTC to come to the 786 on the daily time frame, reject, and then see a crazy dump. So guys, again, I thank you all for watching. You know, smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel, stick to your model. And with that said, guys, stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.